Nothing. What's a man? Feel good about that, yeah? Got my butt. Oh! Amin, your head. I mean, wait till they pass through here, then they can't move. Yeah? Wait for them on this side. Alright. So now wait for them to pass. Come on, guys. Nabeel, I'll back it, bro.
No!
And what? Come, I'm standing here, bro. It's a straight line. I'm just standing here, bro. Let's join teams and get that guy.
It's so easy,
Everyone get Yasin when he's coming through. Hurry up. Look how hot I am, bro. It's not all milk, bro. It's just milk. Alright. Show us how to fill milk. Nabeel's giving me stuff. See, it's just melting all around me, bro. I'm just gonna stand here. Nothing's gonna happen. Come, Nabeel, take your best shot.
Forget about them.
Alright, I've got my distance, man. I might win.
Oh.
That's right. Come through. Bro, you won't get me anyway. Alright. Can you even see me from there? No.
Dad.
That's your blur. Go, try and hit the blur.
Come.
Don't move, Dad.
Oh my god.
Don't move sometime. I feel it.
Wait, coming closer.
Come, bitch. And what? Oh shit. Come on, man, just come through. Hey, let me get some snow first. Damn! Refix it, man. How do you feel about that one? I don't care. You have no shame, you have no honor, bro. Why am I bending down? Nabeel, you're on the higher ground. You should be dominating, bro. How do you feel about that one, bro?
So easy, man.
I'm waiting for Yasin, man.
Man, this guy is
Yasin hurt my future, I'm waiting for him.
That's it, wait.
I'm out, bro. Oh, I'm gonna hurt your future just as bad, man. Oh shit, that would have hurt. My future ain't there, bro.
Yasin's snowballs, man.
Ow! Why is those hurt? Because they're so hard, isn't it?
I'm just going back to face, man.
Right? I understand.
Oh, this is Yasin's. I can feel it.
Oh!
Come on, Mohammad.
That hit you out of the heart.
Hey, come on, Mohammad. This is bad.
That was just a warning, bro. Warning. Warning. Well, keep moving. Why are you standing in the same place? You need to get somewhere.
Easy.
Yeah, I'll get the higher ground, bro.
Couldn't get my head.
Dude, my snowball's
Oh shit, I
alive.
can't come on. It's too steep.
It's not steep at all.
I'm Beowulf.
Yeah, do a Beowulf here.
High ground, bro. Oh shit.
Oh,
Come, I'm standing right here, bro, behind my dad.
Yeah, I know.
Oh shit, I mean your head. It would be white right now.
wasted.
Look at the sky. Too slow, bro.
Yasin, look at me inside. I got it.
Did he?
Yeah, look. It hit.
Oh, we might as well get Amin while he hides behind the tree, bro.
Come. So on your style, man.
I'll flank, bro.